All right, folks, we just bought a new house and it had these Samsung washer and dryers, electric, and about 10 dry cycles in, we hear this. So as you can tell, that's a horrible sound. And after doing some Googling, I figured out that it's the belt tensioner. So we're going to be replacing that. I actually ordered the part off of Amazon, and now we're going to go turn this thing off. So we're going to go about replacing this thing. So hold tight. I'm going to start getting some tools and get the thing apart. All right, so for this particular model, it's a pretty simple operation. It's got to take this screw out, this screw right here, and this screw. And then on the back of the unit, you got to take off. I already started to take some of these brackets off. I just wanted you guys to hear the noise. A couple screws in the back. You don't have to really take these off here. So let me go about doing that. So first things first, you want to either disconnect the cord from the wall or turn the power breaker. I'm just going to go ahead and disconnect the cord. Set that up here. All right. Now I've already taken the screws out of the back, so this thing just rocks forward as such. And you have to be careful because inside of here, there's these little connectors. You got to take those two connectors off right there. So I'm going to go ahead and put the phone down and get that done. Okay, now that I've taken the connectors off, and this thing just comes forward and lifts straight out like this. So go ahead and just place this off to the side. Just set this over here. Now we got to take this thing. I've actually already taken this cover off right here. This cover just, you push it forward and pinch the plastic and it just pops right out. Take off the ground wire. All right, so now that the screw is off, these are little fast, quick connect things. You just twist them off and just pull the wire through. This thing over here had a little screw that went right there. I've taken that out already. So now we just lift this thing up and it just pops right out. So now we just got to disconnect these cables here. So you just pinch these little clips. All right, I'm going to go ahead and pull these out with two hands and get back to you. All right, so just wanted to point out something here. So these connectors just kind of pop straight off. You just have to pinch a little clip and they just come straight up. But these right here, you got to pay attention because the white part of the clip doesn't come out. You have to actually, I don't know if you can see this or not, but there's these little clips, little plastic clips, and you have to take your fingernail and just pop off the plastic over the tab. There it goes. This one here. There. And then just pops straight up.